Experiencing issues with ending calls by double pressing the stem on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. This feature relies on capacitive touch sensors and the H2 chip. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are updated to the latest firmware, version 7A318 or later. This update, released in March 2025, recalibrated the touch sensors to improve responsiveness. Next, verify the feature is enabled. Go to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods on your iOS device. Also, clean the stems with a microfiber cloth to remove any dirt or earwax that might interfere with the sensors. Finally, make sure your connected device, like iPhone or iPad, is using the latest iOS or iPadOS version. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3 by unpairing and repairing them with your device or resetting all settings. Software glitches can sometimes be resolved this way. Also, ensure the device is in Bluetooth range, within 100 meters. Isolated cases might persist, especially with beta iOS versions. While software updates have largely mitigated the issue, hardware faults are rare but possible. If problems persist, contacting Apple support for a warranty replacement might be necessary. In the future, expect AI-driven gesture refinement for more intuitive controls. By 2026, advancements in sensor technology and triple tap options are expected to further diminish these call control issues.